Hey, hello, and welcome to this video on array representation of a stack in data structure and algorithms paper. This is a seminar that is mainly focused on the stack representation in the array form. Before going into the video, let me introduce myself. I am B. Sam Daniel Raj of first MCAD. My roll number is 215213412 from Bishop College, Trichy. In this video, we are going to see about four things. What is a stack in data structure? Then how to represent a stack in array form in a data structure. Also the push and pop operations of stack in the array form. So what is stack? Let us see detailedly. A stack is a linear data structure which follows a particular order in which the operations are performed. The order may be LIFO, that is last in first out, or FILO, that is first in last out. It is an ordered representation of a data that in which the first data which comes in is the last to leave, and also the last data which comes in is the first to leave the stack. So this is what stack looks like, and also this is exactly how it is arranged. The data is arranged in a stack. The first thing or first data goes in, and it is stored in the last position, and then the next data comes in one by one, one by one, one by one. The process of putting data into the stack is called push, and the process of taking data out of stack is called pop. The first and the topmost element, that is the latest element that has entered into the stack, is called as top. That is the topmost position inside a stack. This is what a stack really looks like. So next we are going to see about how we can represent stack in the form of an array. So in array implementation, the stack is formed by using the array. All the operations regarding the stack are performed using arrays. Let us see how each operation can be implemented on the stack using array data structure. And before going into how the operations are seen, let us first see how a stack can be converted or represented in the form of array. Here a stack is given, and some data is given, and also the topmost element is given as top. This can be converted into array by just replacing the data from the stack into an array, and from the position of 0 to the number of position that is needed. So the elements of the stack can be added to the array, likewise from the bottom to the top. So the bottommost element will go on the 0th position, the next one will go in the first one, and it goes on and on, and the topmost will be in the 5th position. This is the memory that will be occupied by the stack elements inside the array. This is how we can represent a stack in an array form. So there are two operations that can be performed in a stack, in also in an array representation of a stack. They are push and pop operation. Let us first look at the push operation. In a push operation is nothing but adding an element into the top of the stack is referred to as a push operation. The push operation involves the two main steps, that is the increment of the variable top, that is the topmost element should be incremented so that it can now refer to as the next or the new memory location. And also the next step is to add the element at the position of the incremented top. The new position that has been created should be listed as the top, and in that top position the next new element should come in and take its place. This is referred to as adding new element at the top of the stack. If the stack is overflown, when we try to insert an element into a completely filled stack, a stack has a limit only, for a particular limit a stack can be filled. After that it comes no element can be added. That is called the overflown state. A main function must always avoid a stack overflow condition. This is how a push operation is implemented in the stack. So the algorithm for the push operation goes like this. First we have to begin. Then if the top is equal to n, that is the nth element is the top, that then it automatically implies that the stack is full. So after that, we should increment the top into the next place. If it is not full, we should increment the top plus one. So the stack of then we should add the element into the stack. That was the stack of top is equal to the new item. That is the new item is implemented into the stack, the new position that is being created by the stack. And then we should end the process. This is how push algorithm works, and this is the algorithm for the push operation. Next we are going to see about the pop operation. This is the second operation that can be performed in an array. So the pop operation in a stack is just the deletion of an element from the top of the stack is called pop. The value of the variable top will be incremented by 1 whenever an item is deleted from the stack. The topmost element of the stack is stored in another variable, and then the top is decremented by 1. The operation returns the deleted value that was stored in another variable as the result. So here we have to delete an element from the stack. So the topmost element is the one that can be deleted, not the bottommost one. Like I said, it follows the uh, last in first out policy. So the last element that came into the stack will be deleted first. So to pop an element, the top will be oh so the topmost element of the stack is stored in another variable, while the top value is decremented by 1. So the n value will be decremented by 1, the top value will be decremented by 1, so that the next element in that stack will be shown as the top element. So the algorithm for pop is given as follows. We should begin the operation, and if we should check if the top is equal to 0, then the stack is empty. So we cannot delete anything from an empty stack. So first and foremost, we should check if the stack is full or empty or not. So if there are items inside the stack, then the item of stack is equal to top should be selected, and the topmost element should be deleted. This is how the algorithm goes, and it is ended after the topmost element is deleted. This is the pop algorithm. So this is a graphical representation of push and pop in a stack. So from first we have an empty stack, so where there are no elements. Then we are pushing the element 1 into the stack, and it goes into the bottommost one, and this will become the top. Then we are putting the next element 2, and then the top will be incremented to this position, that is the second position. If we put another element, the top will be incremented at the next position. This is how the push works. Then if we want to pop an element from out of the stack, then we should pop it from the topmost element. So the topmost element is popped out, then the top will be decremented, and it will come to this position, that is the second position. This is how the normal working of a push and pop takes place. So thank you for watching this video. I'm very sure you have understood the array representation of stack, and also the operation of push and pop in stacks. So if you have any questions, you can mail me at this mail ID. I'm Sam Daniel Raj again. So you can also find me in LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all other social media where you can connect with me and ask your questions. So, and the credits of this presentation template goes to SlidesGo, including the icons that I have used and got from FlatIcon, and also the infographics that I have been showing you all around is from FreePic, and also some image sources from Google. So thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you liked it, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.